Today I'm going to set up my Freedom Distribution Enterprises wireless dog fence system. These instructions are amazing. I'm going to follow these directions and set my fence up today. First, we're going to go ahead and start with charging our receiver and our transmitters. In order to charge the transmitters, we're going to open this plug right on the very back. We're going to go ahead and plug the port right into the collar. We're going to go ahead and see a flashing red light. When the collar is completely charged, it will go to a solid green. Then we're going to go ahead and charge the transmitter. On the very top of the transmitter, we're going to go ahead and plug the cord in. Then we're going to see a flashing red light. When our transmitter is completely charged, we're going to see a solid red light. Okay, I always want to make sure that I have my transmitter plugged in. If my transmitter dies during the process of training, then my collars go into working mode. My collars are rated IP65 waterproof. However, the transmitter is not. So I want to make sure that I'm placing the transmitter somewhere that it is not going to be getting wet. So the transmitter speaks to the receiver similar to your cell phone through RF. The boundary range can be changed on your transmitter by adjusting the signal up and down. The signal is strong enough to go 30 meters direct line of sight. Now the signal should go 60 meters line of sight. However, if anything gets in between the transmitter and the receiver, like a wall, that will create interference and the signal won't travel as far. If they lose connection, they will figure that they have gone outside of the boundary and they will enter into working mode. When the collars go into working mode, it will beep for 5 seconds and then it will send stimulation for 5 seconds. Once that is bypassed, it will go into a sending stimulation and beeping for 6 seconds. It'll go through that cycle 2 times, then it will go into a beeping mode for 5 minutes. Once the dog enters back into the boundary, then it will exit working mode. Okay, so we're gonna check our receiver by attaching the test light to the probes onto the receiver. When stimulation is coming through the collar, the test light will light up. Let's go check for dead spots. Ooh, that's the same spot my cell phone doesn't work very. Must be something in the walls in here. Okay, I need to just go turn up the signal strength. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this up. Let's go check that dead spot again. Perfect, looks like we're good to go. I'm just going to go back and check the bathroom. Looks like everything's good. I check everything when they cuddle on the couch with me. Now we're going to go out and check the boundary outside. All right. I want it to go a little further out, so I'm just going to go inside and fix that. Okay, I've just discovered that I need about 10 extra feet outside for my boundary line, so I'm going to come just relocate my transmitter. All right, that looks good there. Let's go recheck these boundaries. Perfect, these are the exact boundaries I need. It's important to train your dog the boundaries of the yard prior to turning your collar on.